everybody, it's Crystal, and as promised I'm going to show you some of the things that we have for the babies so far. So it's kind of like a baby haul video, but not really, because it's more stuff that has been given to us by friends and family, and then a couple things that we've purchased. So I'm going to go ahead and show you everything, and I hope you enjoy. Bye! Okay, so first off, I just wanted to show you this chest that we have. This is a cedar chest, and Josh's parents just recently gave it to us. This is something that Josh was at his grandparents' house in Louisiana when he was a kid. So then when they moved here, they would go back to Louisiana for summers, and Josh would take everything out of this chest, and when he would get there for the beginning of the summer, and then he would keep everything in there, and then on the way home, of course, everything would smell like cedar. So it's kind of cute because it's a really vivid memory. So it's nice that we have this family thing that we can have in our house. We have to kind of retouch the top of it a little bit. It's kind of old, but inside here I have, if I can open it, I have a ton of stuff that has been given to me. Basically, this is just a bunch of clothes that we're not going to be able to use in the beginning, but this is basically 3 months all the way to 12 months. And then I have a couple other little things in here, some hats and like a little bath net for toys, a little organizing thing, some safety things, a little mirror. So this is just kind of a place for me to keep it all right now. So that's that, and I just think this is great because I can store so much in here and then pull it out as we need it. And then over here I have just some blankets that have been given to me. I have some little hats, just a bunch of little hats, some socks and blanket, and some burp cloths that are going to come in handy for sure. And then over here, let's see, these are actually all newborn clothes. Oops. These are all newborn clothes, and I basically, let's see, hold on. Sorry, look how tiny these little shirts are. They're little newborn, like, little shirts. They're so cute. But anyways, these right here I actually bought on a whim one night. So I just thought the little colors were cute. I really like the dinosaurs. I love this little orange and white one. So these I actually did buy. These are all in newborn. So, and then there's just a ton of other little onesies here that are all newborn. So this is a great little start too, since we do have 2 babies on the way. That's definitely going to be really helpful. And then right here I have a pack and play thing. Playpen, I'm not really sure what you call it. Some people call it different things, but that's what we call it. So I have a pack and play that my cousin gave me. And now I'm going to go into the other room so I can show you some other things. Okay, so this is actually going to be the nursery room. I cleaned it out officially, except I have this table, this huge table here. It's where I had all my makeup and just a bunch of different things, but this is the room for the nursery. And right here I have a bouncer that my cousin gave me, just a real basic bouncer. And then here I have, this is a baby Papa John, so it's kind of like a little, it kind of looks like a bouncer. I don't think it really is. No, it just vibrates and plays music, which I think is really cool because it's kind of like what a swing does, but it doesn't swing. And then I also have this really cool swing, and it's called a cradle swing. And so it has, like, let's see, 6 songs, or 6 speeds, 8 songs, 3 sound effects, and the little mobile piece right here does actually turn around. So that's really cool. And it does swing that way, sideways, instead of the forward motion, which I've heard can cause tummies to be upset. So that's really cool. And I think between this right here and that, I really don't think that we need to purchase any more swing type vibrating baby gear. I think that's going to be good. So, and then I have, this is a really cool stroller. It is a jogging stroller that it is an Instep, and it actually even has like real tires. So it's really, really cool. I just kind of set it up in the room. It's not going to stay right there, but I set it up that way. And I just have a little teddy bear. So that thing is really awesome. I can't wait to use that. Now, we're not going to be able to use it right away when the babies are really small, but as they get bigger, it's going to be a great thing that we can take them out in. So I think that's it. I also have, this is just kind of like maternity clothes. I've put my maternity clothes in this closet for now. Eventually I will take them out and put the baby stuff in here. But I have a little Bumbo up there, and then I have a My Breast Friend, which is a nursing pillow, which is going to be really, really useful. So I got the nursing pillow, but I also put one on my registry, like a twin nursing pillow, so hopefully I will get that. If not, I'm going to buy it, but if I don't get anything right away, then I'm just going to use that one right there. I think it's going to be awesome. So that is what we have for the baby so far. I hope you enjoyed, and the next time I buy anything, I'll do a little baby haul video. So have a great day, everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye.